Do you sometimes have rapid heartbeat, trouble gaining weight, heat intolerance, or tremors? Do those combine with anxiety, trouble sleeping, or light periods? If so, you might have hyperthyroidism. Today I'm going to show you how to find and activate 3 acupressure points that have been helping people with hyperthyroidism for thousands of years. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland situated in the front of the neck. It is responsible for metabolism, energy, hormone regulation, body weight, and calcium level. Hyperthyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland becomes overactive and produces excessive amounts of thyroid hormones, causing symptoms like racing heart, weight loss, heat intolerance, or nervousness. The hallmark diagnostic feature of hyperthyroidism is low TSH, thyroid-stimulating hormone. This happens because the pituitary gland reduces TSH production in response to high levels of circulating thyroid hormones in the blood. However, in hyperthyroidism, the thyroid continues to overproduce hormones despite the low TSH signal. Hyperthyroidism can vary in severity and in seriousness depending upon its cause, duration, and whether or not it's treated. Prolonged hyperthyroidism can strain the heart, leading to issues like persistent racing heart, atrial fibrillation, or even heart failure. It can also cause osteoporosis due to accelerated bone loss. In rare cases, it may result in a thyroid storm, severe symptoms like very high fever, confusion, and a very fast heart rate. Without treatment, hyperthyroidism can significantly impact quality of life, causing fatigue, muscle weakness, unintended weight loss, and vision problems. Medical treatments focus on drugs and surgery that can be life-saving, but they do not act to restore the natural balance of the body. That is where acupuncture point stimulation comes in. Acupuncture point stimulation has been used for thousands of years to help people with thyroid problems. And recent research backs this up. A scientific study analyzing over 1,700 patients with thyroid problems found that significant symptom relief and improved biomarkers occurred when acupuncture point stimulation was used either on its own or alongside medical treatments. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to find and activate 3 acupressure points that are traditionally used to help people with hyperthyroidism. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgery by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Now, I've arranged these points in a sequence, each point building on the next. So I recommend that you use these points in the order in which they're given. The first point recommended for those with hyperthyroidism is located a little bit above your kneecap. To locate these points, find the top of the inside corner of your kneecap right over here. Now to find the point that's the width of 2 thumbs above that. Right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Activate this point by massaging the area in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Tei Shin, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now find and activate this point near your other knee. The next point to restore thyroid function is located on the back of your hand. Find the point that is just below the knuckles of your index finger and your small finger, right over here. Here are the knuckles, and here's the point just below them. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point on your other hand. Having activated these two base points, your body is now primed to receive the most important point. This powerful point is in the notch just above your breastbone. So if your breastbone is here and your collarbones are here, this is the notch right above it, right over here. Now, it's not important or even desirable to push in here because this is your neck and there are some important structures there. But I want you to massage this point, pushing down towards the bone in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds. So you're going to be pushing downward in this direction and not backwards like this or up like this. And massage the point like this. And here's another view. During or shortly after stimulating this point, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your thyroid, right here, in your chest, or your back. This is normal and therapeutic. If you are dealing with the symptoms of hyperthyroidism, I recommend that you activate these points 3 times a day for 30 days and then use as needed thereafter. The next step for those with hyperthyroidism is to address fatigue. I've put my video, Chronic Fatigue Syndrome, right over here. Have a look.